one of the best ways to be a little bit more self-sufficient and give yourself peace of mind that you have food sort of in your back pocket is to have a huge supply of heirloom seeds. And the reason heirloom seeds are important is because you can plant heirloom seeds and then save those seeds for future gardens. Whereas a hybrid variety can be planted and you can harvest those fruits and vegetables, but if you save those seeds and replant them, you will not get the same variety that you saved the seeds from. And so keeping heirloom seeds on hand is really important because it just gives you the peace of mind that you can grow vegetables and continue saving those seeds year after year, so you can plant, harvest, save the seeds, and replant the next year, and you can just continue keeping that cycle going, which is a really great feeling. And so for myself and my family, I wanted to get a good supply of heirloom seeds because there's talks about seed shortages, and I don't know exactly how that will play out, but for our own family and our own peace of mind, I wanted to make sure I had plenty of heirloom seeds on hand. I had no trouble getting these, and so I'm going to link to everything I'm about to show you in the description below in case you're interested in the same ones. But I've never bought so many heirloom seeds in bulk like I did, and so I'm really excited to share them with you. They were very inexpensive. I think I got everything I'm about to show you for maybe around $100 or so, and I'm going to store them away, but I'm going to likely end up opening up quite a few of these packets and planting some and then saving the seeds, and I'm going to keep that cycle going in my garden. And so just for the sake of practicing seed saving and storage and knowing that I can do this process myself, and the cool thing is that you can do it too. So as I opened up each of these seed containers and read a little bit more about each of them, they each kind of have their own different qualities and reasons why they would be a good set to buy. And what's cool is they come with their own instructional packets that show you how to plant the seeds, how to store them, and how to save the seeds for future gardens. And so I believe no matter who you are, whether you're a beginner or an advanced gardener, having some of these seeds on hand is really, really great. So the very first one that I want to show you is this packet, and it is a bug out seed bag. It comes with an 80-page vegetable growing guide inside, so you don't have to worry about knowing how to plant these vegetables or save the seeds. It gives you everything you need to know right inside. It has how many different seeds? 30. Oh, sorry. I'm doing this on the fly. So it has 34 varieties, and it's in a bag that keeps the bugs out. It says that it has a 5 to 7 year longevity. So this would be a great one to just buy, stick it in a cool and dry, dark place, and if you ever need them, they're there for you, and you have that peace of mind knowing that you have all these seeds on hand that you can plant and save seeds from at any time. So that's the really first cool one that I liked. The next packet I got were these seeds to grow and store, and they're specifically prepared for long-term storage, and they're all non-GMO heirloom seeds. There's 16 different varieties, and it's in much bigger quantities than in that other bag that I just showed you. And so the cool thing with these ones is it shows you that even if you cut open these seeds and plant some of them, it doesn't do anything to the longevity or the viability of the seed. And so this is the one I'm probably going to dive into first, and I'm going to plant some of the varieties in here, and then I'm going to just save those seeds for my own future use, because you can just cut along the line. It shows you on right here that along the packet, or on the packet, you can just cut along the line, open it up, plant some of those seeds, and then you reseal it and save those seeds for future use. So that was the second one I really liked. And then this one is canned garden seeds, and there's 16 varieties in this one as well. They're all sealed in Ziploc packets, and it's canned to keep to keep the air and the moisture out. But just like all seeds, it should be stored in a cool, dry, and dark place, and that will help extend the longevity of the seeds. I think that no matter which, sorry for the cat. I think that no matter which one of these you decide to get, if you even decide to get any of them, it's really nice having something like this on hand, whether it's the canned ones, this plastic container, or the one that is sealed to keep the bugs out. They all are heirlooms, so they can all be planted, and they can all produce fruits and vegetables that you can harvest the seeds from and save for your future gardens. And so if you're considering getting some seeds for this upcoming season or just to store away for the future, I recommend these three packets. They're all from True Leaf Market, which is one of my favorite seed companies. I'm not sponsored by them. I just have bought my own seeds from them and have had great success year after year. And so anyways, check out the links in the description and be sure to get your supply of heirloom seeds so that you can have that peace of mind and that you can grow and save seeds in the future. And if you'd like to grow your own garden this year, I love starting out with really quick maturing crops. And so if you head to this video I have here, I talk about 7 quick maturing crops that are ready to harvest in 30 to 60 days, and so that you can get a harvest quick and you don't have to wait and wait months to get your harvest. You can just plant today and harvest soon. So I will see you there.